Every Liberty safe comes with a 5-year warranty on the lock. If you want added peace of mind about your lock warranty, you should get our extended warranty. We have 2 options available, a 10-year extension or a lifetime extension. In order to purchase the extended warranty, there are 3 criteria your safe has to meet. Your safe must be registered. If it's not, it's a simple and free process to do so. Second, you must have purchased your safe within the last year. And third, your safe must have been manufactured within the last 2 years. If you meet all 3 of those criteria, you're good to go. Simply go to libertysafe.com, click on Tools in the top menu, and click on Extended Lock Warranty. Once on the page, you'll input your serial number and the date of purchase, and click on Verify. Once your information has been verified, select either 10-year or lifetime under duration and add it to your cart for purchase. The extended warranty on your safe will help you feel secure that your lock will work for years to come. Should it malfunction, we'll cover the cost for parts and service to get your safe running smoothly again. So don't wait. Get the extended lock warranty today. Be safe out there, and we'll catch you later.